Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Just watering the grass for now, nothing special. You should try it though, it's real relaxing. Got another light out. Might be time to change this whole set. After a long hard day of work, thought I'd put up the big screen. As my luck would have it, Mother Nature said no. No worries. The next day I decided to spray my grass with Cutter. This stuff really keeps the bugs away. Up to 12 weeks, mosquitoes and all. I stand by it. It's Whitley approved. Considering all the new changes, I have a lot more perennials and annuals to water. Need to pull out the lawnmower and do other things, but I have so many plants now that I might have to put it on the back burner. A few days have passed. Got the garden tools out. You know what that means. Time to change some things up. A little lawn maintenance goes a long way. I'm pulling weeds, then I'll get some of the annuals and put them in pots. You'll see why. Man, too much water. Root rot gets you every time. Can't exercise beginner's privilege on that, but what do you think? Now we're cooking with gas. This is what you want to see. Hey, look at the sweet potatoes. Decided to add river rock next to the fence. Something simple. Ran out of those pebbles, those rocks. Instead of dropping everything and running to the store, I'll finish up on some things that I need to take care of. One being the pots over here by the garage door. Might as well get this out the way too. You know, there's one thing about menards. They never disappoint. Okay, finished. At least for now. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comment section. And what's wrong with adding solar lights to the mix? Got some lights out. Seems to be an epidemic around here. But other than that, not bad. Not bad at all. It's the next day. Nice. But I don't like how the fence and pebbles clash. I'll live with it. All right, time to give the backyard its final cut of the season. Before I do, I'm going to take this tape, wrap it around the screen, and secure it to the stand. I'm ready. Here goes nothing. I want to give an extra special thanks to Menards and PowerSmart. Great job. Shout out to you guys too. We accomplished what we set out to do this season. Remember, it's not how you start, but how you finish. And we had a HELL of a time. That side needs some color. No political commentary. No political commentary. 2 words. Thank you. I really mean it. Last year was good. I wanted this year to be great, and I dedicate this season to you. Appreciate everything. Got some leaves coming down. That's okay. It's fall. It's a great time of year if you ask me. Everything turned out better than expected, and it's all because of you. Again, I appreciate you so very much. Anyway, I said it before, and I'll say it again. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.